Okay, for B part 2, they want the last term in the sequence for n cubed in terms of n. So basically, when n is 1, your last term is 1. When n is 2, your last term is 5. When n is 3, your last term is 11. When n is 4, your last term is 19. And when n is 5, your last term is 29. Okay, so similarly, we're going to draw a table out. Okay, so just now the table was for B part 1. Now the table is for B part 2. Okay, so same thing. When n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is L? Okay, L was the last term, right? 1, 5, 11, 19, 29. Okay, so based on observation, you can see that 2 times 3 will give me 6. 6 minus 1 will give me 5. Does that apply to the next one? 3 times the next number 4 will give me 12. 12 minus 1, do I get 11? Yes. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 1, I'll get 19. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 minus 1 is 29. So the pattern is quite similar to the previous one, just that now it's going to be a minus 1. And we're looking at the the next term. So 1 times the next term 2, then minus 1. So 2 minus 1, you get 1. Then 2 times the next term 3, 6 minus 1, I get 5. 3 times 4 minus 1, I'll get 11. 4 times 5 minus 1, I will get 19. And then 5 times 6 minus 1, I'll get 29. Okay, so what is my nth term? It is basically, I shouldn't use T and I should use L, because the question asked for L, right? So L equals to n. L equals to n times n plus 1, the whole thing minus 1. Okay, so when I expand, I will have n squared plus n minus 1. Okay, and this is my answer for part B, part 2. Okay, next. Given that A plus plus L equals to 2197, that means the first term all the way until the last term you add together, you get 2197. Find the number of terms in this sequence. Okay, so remember this sequence is actually referring to the cube sequence over here. So for example, for the third row, when n equals to 3, 3 cubed is going to be equals to the 7 plus 9 plus 11, right? So there were 3 terms and these were the consecutive odd numbers. So if I want to know the number of terms, right, over here, I just need to do what? I need to cube root 2197. Okay? Because, for example, this one, the 7 plus 9 plus 11 would give me 27. How do I know the number of terms here? Is cube root of 27, which will give me 3. Same thing, 3 plus 5 will give me 8. Cube root of 8 will give me 2. So the number of numbers is 2. So basically, if I want to find how many terms there are in the sequence, I will just take cube root of 2197 to find how many numbers were added together. Okay, so for part C, cube root of 2197 is 13. So there are 13 terms in the sequence. Therefore, there are 13 terms in the sequence. Okay, that's for C part 1. C part 2, they're asking for hence. No hence. Find the value of A and of L. So we already have the formula, right, for A and L. We're just going to use those two. A equals to n times n minus 1 the whole thing plus 1. So that's 13 times 12 plus 1, which will give me 157. How about L? L is n times n plus 1, then the whole thing minus 1, right? So 13 times 14 minus 1, I will get 181. Very good, that's for part C. Part D says, given that A equals to 421, find the value of n cubed. Okay, so now they give you the value of A, which is 421, and they want you to find the value of n cubed. Okay, so 421 equals to, is there space for me? Okay, part D. 421 equals to n times n minus 1 whole thing plus 1. This is what we found in part B, right? The formula for A. So n times n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, I'm going to try to solve for n. I basically minus 1 on both sides. So 420 equals to n square, sorry, I don't want n square, I just want n times n minus 1. Okay, so what times that number, basically a number, times that number minus 1 will give me 420. So what are the two numbers? A simple observation will tell you that n equals to 21. Because 21 times 21 minus 1, which is 20. 21 times 20 will give you 420, right? So if they ask for n cubed, they're asking for 21 cubed, which is 9261. And that's your answer for part D. Okay. The way to do this, the proper way to do this will actually be covered in Sec 2, where you really learn how to factorize and solve for n. But now I'm just telling you the, kind of cheat method, the guess and check method to find n. But the real proper method we will teach you in Sec 2. Okay? So n is 21 and 21 cubed is 9261. Since the question wants 21 cubed. Okay? They want n cubed. Alright. With that, we're done with this entire chapter. I just want you to complete the homework on page 16, which are these questions over here. So you will do exercise 7B, textbook page 198, question 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. 9 is optional as usual. Okay? So complete these questions and upload your answers to Google Classroom as always. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.